If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to finally grab an Apple AirTag or stock up on a few more for your keys, backpack, luggage, bike, or anything else you want to keep secure, then Black Friday 2025 has delivered the biggest surprise yet. Because this year we're seeing the lowest ever price drop on the AirTag 1-pack and an incredible discount on the AirTag 4-pack, making now the absolute best time to buy before prices shoot back up after the holiday season rush. And in today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about this massive offer, how it compares to earlier deals, why it matters, and whether you should buy it right now or wait. So let's get straight into the biggest AirTag discount of the year. New Black Friday AirTag deal has 1-pack for just $17.99. And Amazon and Best Buy today have introduced a new record low price on the AirTag 1-pack, available for just $17.99, down from $29. And that means Apple's most affordable tracking device has dropped to a price point that has never been seen before, not even during last year's holiday sales or Amazon's Prime Day promotions. This new record breaks the previous all-time low that was first tracked just last week, proving that Black Friday 2025 is bringing some of the most aggressive Apple deals ever. Amazon also has an ongoing lowest ever price on the AirTag 4-pack, on sale for $64.99, down from $99, which is an excellent deal if you plan to use AirTags for multiple items or want to buy them as gifts during the holiday season. These discounts aren't just minor price cuts. They are major drops that signal Apple's willingness to push more accessories this year as competition in the tracking space continues to grow, especially with products from Tile and Samsung pushing deeper into the smart tracking market. So, why is this deal such a big deal? AirTags rarely drop below $25 for a single pack because Apple maintains a tight grip on accessory pricing, ensuring its products retain a premium feel and long-term demand. Seeing a drop to $17.99 means this year's Black Friday sale is not just another seasonal offer. It's a genuinely unprecedented chance for shoppers to get Apple's ultra-precise item tracker at a price that beats every prior record. And for those who prefer buying in bulk or gifting AirTags to friends and family, the $64.99 price on the AirTag 4-pack is equally impressive, especially since it essentially reduces each AirTag to around $16.25, which is even lower than the already record single unit price. This makes the 4-pack the best value of the season, and potentially the entire year. So whether you need an AirTag for your daily essentials or want to make holiday gift giving a little smarter, this deal is worth jumping on right away. Now let's talk about why so many buyers take advantage of AirTag discounts during Black Friday. First, AirTags are incredibly popular because they work seamlessly within Apple's Find My ecosystem, giving users precision tracking with incredible accuracy thanks to the U1 chip and Apple's massive network of connected devices. Every time an iPhone or Apple device comes near an AirTag, the location is quietly updated on the owner's Find My app, making it far more reliable than most third-party trackers. And with holiday travel increasing every year, people want to keep their luggage safe, track their backpacks, secure expensive equipment, and ensure their belongings don't get lost in airports, malls, or crowded holiday events. Black Friday deals make AirTags more accessible to new users, students, families, and professionals who need reliable tracking without paying full price. And this year's 2025 Black Friday event is especially important because it includes deals on nearly every popular Apple accessory, not just AirTags. You can find all the Apple Black Friday deals currently available in our dedicated post. And for everything else, the biggest savings across multiple retailers can be found in our Black Friday Roundup, which is updated daily to highlight the best Apple-related discounts you can grab throughout this month. That means if you're hunting for deals on AirPods, Apple Watches, iPads, MacBooks, or accessories like chargers, cables, or cases, this year's Black Friday event is offering some of the largest price drops we've ever seen. But AirTag deals stand out because the savings are massive relative to their original price. Now let's discuss whether you should buy AirTags at this price or wait for even better discounts. Realistically, the chances of prices dropping below $17.99 this year are extremely low because retailers usually increase prices again after Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales end. Additionally, Apple rarely discounts accessories like AirTags directly, So these price drops mostly come from retailers like Amazon and Best Buy absorbing the discount to drive traffic and increase holiday sales. Once the sale ends, the AirTag 1-pack is likely to jump back to around $24 or $29, and the 4-pack will likely return to $79 to $99. So if you're thinking about tracking your luggage before holiday travel, securing your keys, keeping an eye on your bike, tracking a child's backpack, or even tagging your remote, this is the perfect time to buy. And with many people now purchasing multiple AirTags at once, Black Friday offers like this help you save a significant amount while giving you the tracking confidence you need during the busiest time of the year. Another factor to consider is that with rumors of a second-generation AirTag possibly launching in late 2025 or early 2026, deals like this may appear as retailers attempt to clear inventory. But the first-gen AirTag still remains incredibly reliable and powerful, with little reason to wait unless you specifically want upgraded features, like improved UWB performance or additional anti-stalking protections. For the average user, however, this first-generation model is still one of the best trackers money can buy, making today's sale even more compelling. These Black Friday deals also show just how competitive the holiday shopping season has become, with Amazon and Best Buy pushing aggressive pricing strategies to capture as much buyer attention as possible. With thousands of shoppers searching for the best tech deals every day of November, retailers are going all in to compete, and that means you get the benefit: record low prices, bundles, and limited time deals that won't last long. So whether you're grabbing an AirTag for yourself, buying a 4-pack for gifts, or stocking up for future use, now is the moment to act. Recommendation: if you want the absolute best value, go for the AirTag 4-pack at $64.99 because it brings the per unit price even lower than the $17.99 single unit deal. But if you only need one, the $17.99 AirTag 1-pack is the lowest price ever, and it may not return anytime soon. Don't miss out on this record-breaking discount. And for more updates on Apple's biggest savings, subscribe to TechVerse.